A perfect crème brûlée starts with patience, not sugar. A dessert this smooth deserves a glass top. 1 spoonful of crème brûlée and a cup of coffee, that's all you need for the perfect slow afternoon. Start by gently heating 700 grams of heavy cream over low heat. Stir constantly and don't let it boil. Just heat it until it's lightly steaming. Don't let it boil, just heat it until you see a little steam. In another bowl, whisk together 8 egg yolks. One little tip, always use room temperature egg yolks. They are mixed much more smoothly with the warm cream. Mix them with a half a teaspoon of vanilla and 100 grams of sugar until smooth. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture in a few additions while whisking continuously. It needs gentle heat. It should bake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle rack with bottom heat only and no fan. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve for an ultra smooth texture. Then pour it into your baking dish. Place the dish in a baking tray and fill the tray halfway with boiling water. Bake until the edges are set and the center still has a gentle jiggle. Let it cool, then refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Finish with an even layer of 3 tablespoons of sugar, then caramelize it with a kitchen torch until it's a deep golden amber. Hold the torch about 2 to 3 inches away from the sugar surface and keep it moving constantly. Don't stay in one spot too long. Move in circles. No kitchen torch? No problem. Place the completely chilled custard under your oven's broiler on the highest rack. Keep a close eye on it. It can go from perfectly caramelized to burnt in seconds. Once the sugar turns a deep amber color, take it out immediately and let it sit for about a minute before cracking into it.